This video will show you how to replace an Onyx wireless charging board. The footage in this video shows the Onyx upright cycle armrest set, but the process is similar for all Onyx modalities. Before you begin, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and remove the armrest console assembly from your Onyx frame. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the silver cover to the charging cover. You may need to adjust the position of the control board to access some of the connecting screws. Unplug the charging board wire from the control board, and then cut the zip tie that bundles it with the other armrest wires. Use a plastic pry tool to unclip the wireless charging cover from the assembly. You can now access the wireless charging board. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the charging board assembly from the cover. Reverse the steps to reassemble, and then test the unit. You have finished this procedure.